In the wild, survival is about being prepared, but sometimes, the wild comes to us. Most people don't think about food security until crisis hits and store shelves empty in hours. Panic buying turns a simple grocery run into a desperate struggle. Today, we'll cover the 10 foundational foods that keep you going when everything else stops. Let's dive in. When it comes to building a survival pantry that truly stands the test of time, beans and lentils are absolutely essential. These humble ingredients have nourished civilizations for centuries, and for good reason. They're reliable, nutritious, and incredibly versatile. Dried beans and lentils can last for years when stored properly, making them a cornerstone of any long-term food storage plan. They're packed with plant-based protein, fiber, and a wide range of vitamins and minerals, nutrients that become even more crucial when fresh meat and produce are hard to come by. Their versatility in the kitchen is unmatched. You can use them to make hearty soups, stews, and chilies, or even blend them into spreads and dips. Lentils cook quickly, while beans can be soaked overnight and simmered into satisfying meals. You can even incorporate them into flatbreads or salads for extra nutrition and texture. Beans and lentils are perfect for bulking up meals, stretching limited resources, and keeping your energy steady throughout the day. They're filling, which means you can make smaller amounts of other ingredients go further, helping you feed more people with less. To maximize their shelf life, always store beans and lentils in airtight containers. This protects them from moisture, pests, and spoilage, ensuring your investment lasts as long as possible. Food-grade buckets or glass jars work especially well for bulk storage. Stock up on a variety: black beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, red and green lentils, and more. Each type brings its own unique flavor, texture, and nutritional profile, keeping your meals interesting and your diet balanced. Beans and lentils are not only affordable and easy to find, but they're also simple to store in bulk. With just a little planning, you can create a pantry that's ready for anything, whether it's a short-term emergency or a long-term challenge. Don't underestimate the power of these pantry staples. They're easy to prepare, require minimal equipment, and can be adapted to countless recipes from around the world. Compared to fresh beans, dried beans and lentils are lighter, more compact, and far more shelf-stable. Their longevity, nutrition, and versatility make them an unmatched resource for anyone serious about food security. When you're planning your survival pantry, make beans and lentils a non-negotiable part of your strategy. Their reliability, affordability, and nutritional value make them a true foundation for any emergency food supply. Every survival food plan needs a foundation: rice and whole grains. These staples have nourished civilizations for thousands of years, and for good reason. They're affordable, versatile, and packed with the carbohydrates your body needs to keep going, especially in challenging times. Whether you're preparing for emergencies or just building a reliable pantry, rice and whole grains should be at the top of your list. White rice, stored properly, can last decades. Oats and quinoa are also excellent. When sealed in airtight containers or mylar bags with oxygen absorbers, these grains can remain fresh and edible for years, making them a smart investment for long-term food security. Oats and quinoa add variety and important nutrients like fiber and protein to your diet. They provide steady, long-lasting energy, vital when you're working hard or under stress. Unlike sugary snacks that give you a quick spike and crash, whole grains release energy slowly, helping you stay focused and fueled throughout the day. This is especially important if you're doing physical labor, gardening, or just managing the stress of an emergency. Mix with beans, canned veggies, or fish for a complete meal. Combining grains with protein sources like beans or canned fish creates a balanced dish that covers all your nutritional bases. You can get creative. Add spices, sauces, or whatever you have on hand to keep meals interesting and satisfying. Grains absorb flavors, making basic ingredients more satisfying. Even simple seasonings or a splash of broth can transform plain rice or oats into something comforting and delicious. This flexibility is key when you're working with a limited pantry. Store in mylar bags or sealed buckets to keep dry and pest-free. Proper storage not only extends shelf life but also protects your investment from moisture, insects, and rodents. Label your containers with dates and contents so you can rotate your stock and always know what you have on hand. 100 pounds of rice isn't just food, it's peace of mind. Knowing you have a substantial supply of grains means you're prepared for whatever comes your way, whether it's a natural disaster, job loss, or just a tight month. Think in terms of calories and longevity. Calculate how much you and your family need per day and plan your storage accordingly. Grains are calorie-dense and can sustain you for a long time, making them a smart choice for any emergency plan. Grains are inexpensive, easy to store, and form the backbone of your food security. Make them a priority and you'll have a solid, reliable base for countless meals, no matter what the future holds. Fresh food disappears fast in a crisis. Canned vegetables become a lifeline. Ready to eat, they provide vital nutrients and require no cooking if power is out. Canned tomatoes are versatile. Use them for soups, stews, and sauces. Their antioxidants and vitamin C boost health and morale. Stock a variety: carrots, green beans, corn, potatoes, mixed veggies. Rotate your stock to keep it fresh. Canned goods are the heavy infantry of your pantry, robust, reliable, and ready. They bridge the gap between survival and a balanced diet. Never underestimate a well-stocked shelf of canned vegetables. When it comes to survival, calories are your most precious resource, and nothing delivers more concentrated energy than cooking oils and fats. These humble kitchen staples are calorie-dense, lightweight, and easy to store, making them a top priority for any emergency food supply. Just a small amount can make a huge difference in your daily energy intake, especially when other food sources are limited or hard to come by. For example, a single tablespoon of oil contains about 120 calories, more than many servings of grains or vegetables. But oils do more than just provide energy. They help your body absorb essential fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, which are crucial for maintaining your immune system, vision, and bone health, especially in stressful situations. Oils are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Use them for sautéing, frying, drizzling over salads, or even preserving foods like herbs and vegetables. Adding oil to your meals not only boosts calories but also enhances flavor and texture, making even the simplest dishes more satisfying and enjoyable. Solid fats, such as coconut oil, ghee, or lard, have the added advantage of a longer shelf life compared to most liquid oils. They're less likely to go rancid and can be stored for months or even years if kept in cool, dark places. This makes them especially valuable for long-term preparedness. Beyond the kitchen, oils have a surprising range of uses. They can lubricate tools and hinges, help waterproof gear, and even serve as emergency fuel for lamps or fire starters. In a pinch, a little oil can make a big difference in your ability to maintain equipment or create light and warmth. Don't underestimate the value of oils and fats in your survival kit. Their uses go far beyond food, making them a true multi-purpose asset for any situation. Stocking up on a variety of shelf-stable oils like olive, coconut, or canola ensures you have options for different cooking needs and storage conditions. Rotate your supply regularly to keep it fresh, and always check expiration dates. Oils and fats not only boost your energy and nutrition, but they also make meals more enjoyable and satisfying, which can be a real morale booster during tough times. For maximum shelf life, store oils in sturdy opaque containers to protect them from light and air, which can cause them to spoil faster. Keep them in a cool, dark place, and consider smaller bottles to reduce waste if you're opening them infrequently. In the world of survival, cooking oils and fats truly are liquid gold, compact, versatile, and essential for both nutrition and practical uses. Make them a cornerstone of your preparedness plan. Survival is mental as much as physical. A hot cup of broth can lift spirits and hydrate. Bouillon cubes are compact last year's and turn water into flavorful broth for rice, beans, or soups. Canned soups are ready to eat, providing warmth and balanced nutrition with zero prep. Use broth to stretch leftovers into hearty meals. These items take little space but offer huge comfort and flavor. Stock up on bouillon and a variety of canned soups. They make bland rations enjoyable and keep morale high. In a crisis, warmth and flavor matter. Don't forget these pantry essentials. Milk is a staple, especially for families, but fresh milk vanishes fast in emergencies. Shelf-stable options, UHT cartons and powdered milk, last months or years without refrigeration. Powdered milk is lightweight, compact, and versatile for drinking, cooking, or baking. It provides calcium, vitamin D, and protein, crucial for bone health and nutrition. Use it in oatmeal, sauces, or to make creamy soups. Try different types now to find your family's favorite. Learn to mix powdered milk for best taste. Integrate shelf-stable milk into your pantry before you need it. For families, it's a fundamental responsibility. Pasta is comfort food and a prepper's powerhouse. Cheap, dense, and stores for years. It's a blank canvas toss with canned tomatoes, oil, or fish for a filling meal. Pasta stretches limited resources, turning small amounts of protein or veggies into a feast. Quick to cook, or even cold soak in a pinch. Stock a variety of shapes for meal variety. Store in a cool, dry place or sealed buckets for long-term storage. Pasta brings normalcy and comfort when you need it most. It's more than food, it's a taste of home. Canned fish is a protein powerhouse, ready to eat, no cooking needed. Tuna, salmon, sardines, mackerel, each offers protein, healthy fats, and omega-3s for brain and heart health. Eat straight from the can, mix into salads, or add to pasta and rice. Fatty fish like sardines also provide calcium. Stock a variety for nutrition and flavor. Pull-tab cans are especially handy. Canned fish is compact, nutritious, and a true survival superfood. Make it a pantry priority. Peanut butter is the ultimate calorie bomb. Dense, protein-rich, and shelf-stable. A spoonful delivers instant energy and requires no prep. It lasts for years, unopened, and months after opening. Eat it straight, spread on crackers, or stir into oatmeal. Nut butters like almond or sunflower are great alternatives. The combo of fat, protein, and calories is unbeatable. It's comfort food and survival fuel in one jar. Choose simple ingredient varieties for best nutrition. Peanut butter is a survivalist's best friend. When bread is gone, crackers, rice cakes, and crisp breads provide crunch and variety. They're shelf-stable, lightweight, and easy to store. Use as a base for peanut butter, canned fish, or veggies, no cooking needed. Stock different types, saltines, whole wheat, rice cakes, crisp breads. They break the monotony of soft foods and add texture to meals, great for quick snacks or light meals when fuel is scarce. A mix of options prevents flavor fatigue. Crackers are the unsung heroes of your pantry. They make every meal more satisfying. Preparation is everything. These 10 foods are your lifelines in a crisis. They're more than staples, they're the building blocks of resilience and peace of mind. Each can, bag, and jar is a deposit in your family's security bank. Don't wait for disaster. Start building your supply now. Add a few items each week and rotate your stock. When shelves go bare, you'll be ready. Secure your food security. Stay prepared, stay safe.